Sergeant Taylor pull I over. He say, good morning, driver. Can I see your documents, please? It's just a law, whoa, the new transportation law. Wicked in a town and in a country. Where we are go to me virgin cabin. Everywhere we turn, man, I make a joke we sing. It's just a law, whoa, the new transportation law. Wicked in a town and in a country. Where we are go to me virgin cabin. Everywhere we turn, man, I make a joke we sing. Rise up this morning, get myself together. On the street where I find my dollar. Get a load out of the corner square. On my way down to the town center. As I might reach down a Quebec corner. Sergeant Taylor pull I over. He said, good morning, driver. Can I see your documents, please? It's just a law. Whoa, the new transportation law. Wicked in a town and in a country. Where we are going to me virgin cabin. Everywhere we turn, man, I make a joke win. So I did what the officer said to me. He take my paper with a smile. And then the officer start to screw. He said, driver, how much passenger on the front seat? 2 officer. How much on the back? 5 officer. Wait, I see me can't see a coat, me can't go. You see, it's just a law. Whoa, the new transportation law. We could in a town and in a country. Where we are go to me virgin cabin. Everywhere we turn, man, I make a joke we sing. It's just a law. Whoa, the new transportation law. We could in a town and in a country. Where we are go to me virgin cabin. Yeah, man, a Danton, live and direct, yeah, Danton all the way, Yeah, bless up.